Hello boys and girls, Ms Carla here. I have another storybook on my bookshelf. Let's have a look at what it is. It's Millie Mae in the garden. This is something I've been reading for many years with lots of boys and girls, and I hope you like this one too. Millie Mae in the garden, and it's written by Natalie Marshall. Let's have a look. Millie Mae wakes to the warm sun shining down on her house. It is a lovely day to play in the garden. Everyone say, hi, Millie Mae. Hello, Millie Mae. Millie Mae can't go out in her pajamas. She needs to dress in her outside clothes. Millie Mae chooses her favorite blue dress. What a pretty dress it is. Millie Mae searches for the little creatures that live amongst the raspberry. They are having a busy time. Lots of creatures. I can see a butterfly, a lady beetle, a caterpillar, a buzzing bee, another buzzing bee, another caterpillar, another butterfly, and another bee. Bzz, bzz, bzz. What a busy day. Millie Mae waters her plants. They need a drink every day, just like she does. She's feeding her plants. She picks oranges from her favorite tree. Millie Mae loves her garden. Let's count how many oranges she has on this tree today. Let's start over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well done. And that's the end of the story about Millie Mae in the garden. Thank you for watching, boys and girls. Bye for now.